this is a winner Kie made dinner. Yum. Ate her right on up. Well, looky. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by BeautyForeverHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Simply Slaying the Girl. Got her Wawa today because I ain't got no liquor. Drink up for me, please. Now before I show you guys how I got this wig from A to Slay out the pack, because I didn't wash this one, okay? Don't judge me, look at the material. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForeverHair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is their Burmese curly finger coil ends. Thick curls wig, thickety thick. Now with that, it says on the website that this unit is 150% density. However, it shows in the product details that this unit is actually a weight of 180 to about 260. And that depends on the length of your unit. So always make sure that you're checking the product details when it comes to the density of these units, because the density could be different depending on the length that you choose to get for your wig. I did weigh mine, and mine it says it's about 237. That's including the cap and all the extras. Okay, now I was going to wash this unit, and I still might do that, but I just want to pop her on out the pack and see what we working with, because I feel like she might be kind of cute like that as well. Let me get my lace tint. As always, I'm gonna use my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna use a mixture of the contour and sculpt shades. A mix that around there. They kind of put some bangs on my wig. I didn't notice that at first, but okay. Let me spray her down with some wig perfume because I don't want her to be stinking. She don't really smell. She actually don't smell that bad. She actually smells like a toy factory. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing. Protect your scalp. We're not gonna free ball this cap. Bring it down. Fits pretty good. It's little orphan Annie. I'm gonna make it cute. I don't gotta tighten it down that much. This is what it's looking like out the pack with those little curls in my face. Okay. I'm gonna style it out the pack so y'all can see how we can get it together. So this is the layered cut. So it has the nice layers in the front. So thank you. Y'all know I love some layers around my face. And it has the finger coil ends, real chunky like. I'm just literally gonna separate them like that. Just go in and separate, 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 separate. Pull them apart, okay? Just imagine if all the hair was coiled like this. It would be perfect. I wouldn't have to wash nothing just based off how these ends are looking right now. They look really good. And it smells good because again, the hair wasn't stinking out the pack. Obviously my plan is to go in and wash it, but I'm starting to think I might not. Listen, I get real lazy with these wig installs. If I don't gotta do too much, I'm not gonna do too much. Because I know once I wash it, the curls will drop. Okay. I don't like that hairline though, too blocky. Even though I'm probably wear like a bang look, I still want it to look natural in my front. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see how that curl looks? Out the pack, it looks great. What doesn't look good though is that hairline. Let's fix that, Beauty Forever, okay? I need it to look decent and pull some of this hair out. Take my Nairobi mousse right here, pump it on the front. I'm not even gonna wrap this down. The way I'm gonna wear it out and full and fluffy, I don't gotta do none of that. See, look at me talking. Shh, I'm gonna wrap it. Ooh, no, I didn't wash it. Okay, let's just put you right there. Let me see if I can fluff it without the extra. First, I'm gonna put some water on here, just around here. I didn't want that much, dang. Take my pick. And I'm just gonna bring it up like this. I'm gonna try not to disturb the curls on the end because I want that definition, you know? Let's see if we can do this. Oh, this is looking good. Shame on me for judging this wig out the pack. I wasn't too sure about it, but it's coming out really nice. I'm gonna take off these clips because I want the front to be out here. Let's see if I can do it. Come on, come on. Okay, I think I need to cut the front a little bit shorter. All right, so this right here, I'm gonna cut it right. Just cut it right across. I don't care. It's curly, so I can make it work. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my mousse here, plop it right on this hair, just like that, and I'm gonna clump it with the finger coils. This is how I would spot check my units, like that I have washed and worn for a while. Go back and check my wig update playlist. I show you how I do this. When I want to freshen up my curls, just put some mousse on it and redefine the ends or redefine the strands. Why is that one so long? Sheesh. That one's real long. And the layers I'm noticing are just around the front. They're not all the way around the unit. I'm not gonna use my diffuser. I'm just gonna blow dry it how it is on cool and high. To add more volume, I'm gonna hold the hair up and tease it down this way. Now, obviously, me doing this will create tangles in my unit. I don't care. When I go in and wash her, I will take my time to detangle her. Look how big that is. Pick it up, pick it up. Take my sexy hair hairspray, tease it up, spray the rest of this. Let me get this band off. Ooh, dang. Even though it's gonna be hidden, I'm still gonna brush it out. Just in case I wanna push this back. Bring it down some, it got shifted. Let's get this down. All right, bring it up. Fluff it. If this is a kinky curly, it would be a little stiffer. I wouldn't have to do so much teasing or use so much hairspray, but it's a Burmese curly, so you gotta do that. Spray some hairspray in here. I'm using my volume hairspray. This wig is pretty much all about the fluffing. Shake it up. I need some big old hoops to make sure my hair gonna sit right. Yeah. Yup. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Do y'all see? Do y'all see this wig? Do you see this wig? I am, wow. Out the pack, what's that? Out the pack, y'all. Do I want more forehead? Let's see, bring it back some. Okay. If you are beginning to wigs and you wanna wear a curly unit that isn't water wave, this one right here, who gonna be rocking this one for the rest of the weekend? Me. Okay, me, because it looks so daggone good. Before you start telling me how I should have washed the wig in X, Y, and Z, listen, I have washed plenty of Burmese curly units on my channel and showed you how the curl drops after the wash. I didn't want to do that with this one, okay? And I also didn't feel like finger coiling every single strand on this unit. I didn't want to do it. So I will put some videos down below showcasing how I wash my unit out the pack and what that looks like for the Burmese curly. So if you want to wash your wig out the pack, you can do that. Just know it would not look like this. You would need to put the coils back on the ends of your unit and fluff this hair up again. So when it comes to like the shedding and tangling of this unit out the pack, not really none of that. Do I expect to have shedding and tangling over time? Yes. Why? Because it's a curly unit and I did put some tangles in my unit when I did the back combing. So, you know, expect the expected. As far as I'm concerned for Beauty Forever Hair, this is a winner Kie made dinner. Yum. Ate her right on up because this looks great. The hair is very soft. It is bringing the heat, but I don't care. I got my fan. I can pin mine up in a little claw clip action if I wanted to. I can throw on a headband or a scarf and have a little updo. I can do all that, but the look that I want right now is this one, okay? I want it to be around my neck, okay? Bundle me up. I don't care. I want the looks. I cannot believe this Beauty Forever. Y'all just surprised your girl on a Friday. She going up on a Friday. Yeah, but that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can, which you should. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.